Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to actually enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to the system section. On the third position we've got date and time, so simply tap on it, and as you can see right now we are using automatic date, time and time zone, so they are network provided, but we can set them manually. All you have to do is simply turn off those options in order to activate the date, time and time zone. So let's begin with the date. After tapping on it, you can choose something from this calendar. Just pick and the year and the date you would like to set and tap on it. As you can see, it immediately changes. The same situation with the time. All you have to do is simply find the time and tap on it on this clock, choose it. Remember to confirm it with OK. As you can see, it immediately appears on the status bar also. We can change also the time zone, just tap on it, and here you've been transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. After tapping on this three dots icon, you can also sort them alphabetically, so it's up to you. All you have to do right now is simply find the one you would like to set and tap on it, and as you can see, it immediately changes, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it, so remember about that. Under it you've got also the clock format option, and right now we are using 12-hour format, but if you'd like to use 24-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, it immediately changes right here. What's more, it is differently displayed on the status bar. So actually this is it. This is how to manually set date and time. Obviously you can go back to all previous settings, just tap on the switcher to use 12-hour format, and on those switchers to use network provided date, time and time zone. So actually this is it. This is how to enable, how to manage date and time in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.